My name's Ryan. I work here at Whitten Brothers in Midlothian, Virginia. Today I'm going to show you a couple things about the new Jeep Grand Cherokee L. First thing we're going to show you guys today is how to open the hood on the new Grand Cherokee. You come down here, it's going to be right by your left knee. Pull this, you'll hear it pop. Get outside the car. You're going to come around to the front, and right below this Jeep logo here, it's going to be a lever. Push that to the side. The hood has struts and it'll open on its own. All right, guys, we're going to show you a couple things going on underneath the hood of your Grand Cherokee here. A couple things to point out. This is your engine coolant. It'll have a minimum and maximum line on the side. Pop the hood, just take a look, make sure you're between the two lines. This is going to be your windshield washer fluid. You're going to fill it up until it reaches the top there. Last thing you're going to be able to check under here is going to be your engine oil. You have this dipstick with a yellow handle. You're going to pull it out. You're going to wipe it off. You're going to stick it all the way back in. We're going to pull it out a second time, and we're going to read on the dipstick here. We want our oil level to be between these two dots somewhere in the hash marks. All right, guys, I'm going to show you what's going to happen if you unfortunately do run out of gas. If you're able to get a gas can or something like that. With these capless gas tank systems you have here, you can't just stick it down in there. It will get stuck, and then we'll have to cut it out. Underneath this cargo area, there's a little section here. In this section, you're going to have your tire jack, anything you need in case you get a flat tire. It's also going to have this white funnel in it. Pull this funnel out. And I'm going to stick the funnel in here, give it a little twist, and now you can fill your car back up with gas.